Hello, and welcome to this presentation made in collaboration with AI. Since we live in an artificial intelligence buzz and we hear so much about the impact of AI in managing projects, let's explore the hype and reality of AI in project management software. Let's get started by taking a realistic look at projects, project management, automation, and AI. Project management is a discipline that blends together science, art, leadership, communication, and problem solving to bring a final product or service into life. The role of a project management software is to serve a purpose, not to replace the act of managing the project itself. Small projects frequently do not require any specialized software and can be easily managed on a spreadsheet, and dare I say, even on a notepad. As we move into medium to large scale and more complex projects, the need to manage a broad range of variables increases dramatically. From scope, budget, and stakeholders, the complex dynamics of a project require exceptional technical, organizational, and personal skills, not just from the project manager, but from the entire project management team. Decision-making, critical thinking, dealing with deadlines, budgets, and risks, addressing technical issues, and constantly communicating with stakeholders create a complex and very dynamic layer upon which any project must evolve and be led to successful completion. The project management software is just one element of the project management process. It supports project execution by accelerating calculations and processing data, and eventually providing fact-based information required for further decision-making. As the software industry evolved, our tools also evolved by becoming more user-friendly and offering advanced automation capabilities. But what is automation in simple terms? Automation is the ability to execute predefined tasks following a fixed sequence of pre-planned actions, which repeat predictably to achieve a specific result. As an example of efficient automation, think of workflows. Workflows' efficiency depend on their designers, whether that's the project manager, a stakeholder enforcing a project standard, or an internal department applying a process like financial approvals. These pre-existing processes get translated into workflows that are implemented in project management software, supporting standardization and efficiency. However, while automation standardizes and optimizes processes, it remains fundamentally different from true AI. Artificial intelligence incorporates machine learning and advanced algorithms, learns from data, adapts, and makes decisions without explicit programming. AI can suggest best practices and make recommendations, but it cannot make judgment calls. Not because it lacks capability, but because it isn't fully attuned to the nuances and evolving context of a project. AI cannot hold two contradictory ideas in mind and work to resolve them, nor can it interpret the influence of stakeholder politics, interpersonal dynamics, or informal power structures in a project. For example, if a planning software predicts a delay, AI should understand why, not just flag it. But real-world complexities, such as stakeholder resistance, political factors, market shifts, are beyond today's AI capabilities. To summarize, automation is predefined workflows and repeatable sequences like task assignments, approvals, and alerts. AI is adaptive learning over time, such as recognizing patterns in delays, improving forecasting based on historical outcomes. True AI in project management would require contextual awareness, which most tools lack today. Don't get me wrong here, since I'm not taking any sides. I'm an advocate of both advanced automation and AI. They are both important in our daily life for managing projects, but serve different purposes. Speaking from personal experience, advanced automation has made my life easier and admittedly faster by increasing the data processing and communication speed, and has added extra transparency in my projects. As someone who started her career as a project management software trainer over 20 years ago, I can say that automation, as we see it today, is a dream come true. AI, on the other hand, is my collaborator for this very video. I will happily pass a concern through an AI chatbot to get a different view about a topic, or optimize an email content, or even check if there is a way to optimize certain processes. So where's the AI hype? Predictive analytics is often marketed as AI, but what can AI predict that a well-structured automated system cannot? Sure, AI can provide insights, But who will eventually train the AI model, for example, to identify and manage a risk? You guessed it right. You will have to train the AI model. And here's the catch in our example. That risk may not be repeatable, meaning that an AI model cannot apply the same logic universally. The same risk, in a different context, can have an entirely different impact. Without context-driven adaptation, AI cannot yet make the kinds of complex strategic decisions required in real project management. So, moving forward into practical recommendations, my first advice would be to utilize existing AI, but do not confuse it with automation. Most project management software today is rebranded automation, not true AI. Use project management software for what it is. Second, educate yourself and others before buying into the hype. IT professionals and project managers have a responsibility to introduce software for what it really is, not what vendors claim it to be. Third, strong organizational workflows and proper delegation of authority are essential in any organization. Without them, even the best system will fail. Finally, consider customization and training when implementing systems. An automation-based system requires implementation and customization. But the difference is in the known parameters. Pre-trained AI models may not need traditional customization, but they still require training to align with your organization's specific needs. If your company introduces true AI, ask, how long will it take to train the model? What data will be used for the training? How will you test it? How will your team work until the model goes live? In this video, I wanted to share with you a descriptive but not exhaustive perspective on why the AI hype is mostly a marketing spin. AI is not yet capable of replacing the most important factors in project management because leadership, critical thinking, project dynamics, and complex relationships cannot be accurately modeled in today's AI's models and current software solutions. Until then, we need to continue thinking, negotiating, and taking action based on real-world variables while using our advanced software solutions to assist but not replace our decision-making process. Before we say goodbye for now, I would just like to repeat that AI learns, adapts, and makes decisions. Think deeply if this is what your AI-powered software does, and if this is what you expect from it. Let me know what you think. Are the AI-marketed solutions for project management truly revolutionizing our industry? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon.